left turn goes first. I should have known that. What am I doing? There we go. Oh, come on. What the fuck? I'm gonna go get him. CER8796. Wow, completely blows the stop sign. Driving way too fast. Yep. Thanks for the no turn signal. I'm not gonna be able to keep up. Nope. There they go. Zoom, zoom. Blows another stop sign. Are they gonna blow that red light? Oh, come on. Stay red. Stay red. I just want to get the driver's face. I got you running that red light back there. Your headlights aren't on either. Are they? No. Turn on your lights. There you go. Also, it's green. Yep, that guy's strung out of his mind. Oh, cones.